4-3, you're going to use the third angle theorem. Number 5, in the diagram, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle TUV. All right, so we're going to complete the statement. You know what I decided to do? I'm going to decide to move this image here so we can see it much better. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here. Let's see what is corresponding to angle A. This is interesting. I don't know what is corresponding to A based on the image, right? However, the statement gives it away. Notice that this is the first spot. It has to be corresponding to this first spot here too. So angle A is actually congruent to angle T because it's literally in the same spot. All right. Let's look at VT. All right. So VT, where's VT? So VT looks like it's like this, right? And there is no definable marks for VT. So we have to look at the statement here. VT is made up of what? Let's see. Well, VT looks like it's made up of the third and then the first one. Okay, so VT. So it has to be made up of the third one here and the first one here. So that is going to be congruent to angle, it has to be congruent to line CA. Okay, so that is congruent here too. All right, there is something very interesting that does happen here. Notice that angle U is 59 degrees. Its opposite side here is the line VT. Therefore, if you trace it backwards from line BC, notice it goes back. So this has to be 59 degrees. Okay, that's what I am sure of. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, right there. BC. Do I have BC? No, what? CA. Oh, sorry. Did I mess up? CA. I marked the wrong one. Sorry. This is CA. Okay, that's CA. And then we can just trace this one back. So notice the angle U produces that. So let's see this trace back. So this has to be the 59 degrees here. Okay, so angle B is 59 degrees. Sorry about that. And then let's see VTU. Let's see how they wrote VTU. Well, let's see how they wrote it. Okay. Notice that they start with V. V is corresponding to what? This is the first one, and this is also the first one. So triangle A has to come first. Nope, sorry, V. So third. So it's triangle C comes first. Okay, then it goes to T. Okay, I'm referring to this T here, and that is the first spot. So it's first spot here. So that's going to be A. Then here it says U. U is the second spot, so it matches up with the second spot here, which is also going to be the B. All right, good. Okay, now let's see about this. Okay, what about BC? What does BC give us? Well, it's very hard to see it visually, so let's just look at the statement. Okay, BC is right here. BC is made up of the second spot and the third spot. So it's going to be made up of the second and third spot here too. So BC is congruent to UV. All right? Okay. Next, we know that this is angle A is what degree? Well, we don't know it, but we know that inside it adds up to 180 degrees. So 59 plus 55 plus that question mark is equal to 180. So let's do that really quick. 59 plus 55 is 114 plus the question mark is equal to 180. 180 minus 114 gets you 66. So that question mark is the question mark is equal to 66 degrees. Okay. So angle A is 66 degrees. So you can write here, this is 66 degrees. All right. Next, now this is very interesting. Okay. Notice that it says angle C here is 55 degrees. So angle C here is 55 degrees. So angle V here has to be 55 degrees. Okay. Therefore, this A, let me change the color. The A here, which is in pink, is 66 degrees. So take a look at the A. It's the first spot. It's going to be matched up with the T here, which is also the first spot. So it's going to be this one. So this is also going to be 66 degrees. So angle A is equal to the measurement of 66 degrees, or which is the same thing as the measurement of the angle for T. They all have to be 66, okay? All right, so there you go. You have to use a bunch of ideas here to get all the missing values.